Welcome to this walkthrough on data collection in ResearchOS. In this video, you'll learn how to gather research data using 3 different approaches: generating AI-powered synthetic responses, configuring an online survey panel, and uploading your own datasets for analysis. Head into the data collection stage from the left-hand navigation menu to begin gathering responses for the health study. Scroll down the synthetic data page to review the configuration options available for generating AI-based respondents. In the respondents field, adjust the count to the number of synthetic responses you want to create for this run. That sets up the respondent count for your synthetic sample. Let us go to the next step, which is generating and downloading the synthetic data. Hit the Generate Synthetic Data button to kick off the generation process. You will see a loading indicator confirming that the responses are being created in the background. The AI assistant pops up with a helpful note about the generation, giving you context on what has been produced. Dismiss the AI assistant pop-up to get back to your workspace. Once the status updates to data generated, you can preview the Download CSV option to grab your results. Further down, the Recent Generation section keeps a running history of every dataset you have created here. Click the Download icon next to the file you just generated to save it locally. Your first synthetic dataset is now downloaded and ready to use. To create synthetic responses based on your own survey, click Upload Questionnaire. Scroll back up and open the Upload Questionnaire option to attach your survey document. Set the Respondents field again to define how many synthetic answers should be generated against this questionnaire. Trigger the Generate Synthetic Data button once more to produce the tailored responses. After a brief loading moment, the status flips to Data Generated, showing the new file is ready. Hover over Download CSV if you want to grab this questionnaire-based dataset for review. Let us go to the next step, which is defining the target sample size for an online survey, where real panel respondents will provide the data. Switch over to the Online Survey tab to set up panel-based data collection. On the panel collection page, enter the total number of completed responses you want to purchase in the target sample size field. Your sample size target is now locked in for the panel run. Let us go to the next step, which is configuring gender and age quotas so your sample matches the demographic profile you need. Scroll down to the Gender Quota section and select whichever preset best fits your needs. Use the Add Range button twice to create 2 additional age band rows for finer segmentation. In the second age range row, bump up the starting age using the up arrow to fine-tune the lower bound. Adjust the ending age of that same row upward as well so the band covers the exact range you want. Your gender and age quotas are now configured for the panel. If geographic targeting is required, click Add Region to include specific locations in your sampling plan. If regional targeting isn't needed, simply remove the region quota. Region quotas have been reviewed and cleared out for this run. Let us go to the next step, which is customizing the gender split and checking feasibility, so you can confirm the panel can actually deliver your sample. Scroll up a touch and switch the gender quota to custom to unlock manual control over the split. Adjust the slider to define your preferred respondent mix. When your targeting criteria are complete, click Check Feasibility. ResearchOS evaluates your requested quotas and estimates whether the required respondents can be recruited. Hit Check Feasibility to have the platform validate whether your quotas can be filled. Your online survey is now fully scoped with quotas and pricing confirmed. Let us go to the next step. Open the Datasets tab to view all available datasets. Select Analysis Readiness for any dataset to see which analytical techniques it supports. Click into Analysis Readiness to open the Detailed Compatibility view. ResearchOS evaluates the structure of your data and indicates whether it's suitable for different types of statistical analysis. Collapse the panel using the Close Readiness button once you have finished reviewing. You now know exactly which analyses this dataset is prepared for. Let us go to the next step. If you'd like to analyze existing research data, open the Upload Data tab. On the Upload Data BYOD page, drop your CSV file into the upload zone to import it. ResearchOS automatically detects and previews the columns in your dataset. Review the imported variables to confirm everything has been parsed correctly. Your dataset is now available throughout ResearchOS for analysis, reporting, and quality control. And that wraps up managing and uploading your datasets. You've now completed the data collection workflow in ResearchOS.